Hi, I'm Dr. Sajjan and I thank you for taking up our ECG skill building training. Okay, and we also have released the level 2 training program if you're not aware, and we got a lot of requests on our Telegram group and Facebook group on different ECGs on day-to-day basis, right? And I found that people are a little bit struggling on when it comes to hands-on interpreting the ECG strips, right? So of course we are given complete skills and training and tricks on how to do that, but we didn't give you hands-on, right? So with that, we thought the next thing would be the best thing to do is give you an hands-on training on how to interpret ECG strips, for which we have come up with a new training program. It's called as 50 ECG challenge, where we'll challenge you to interpret 50 ECGs, right? And it's gonna be live with me, one-on-one, right? We'll be having limited number of seats for this live session, where we'll be going on Zoom meetings. That is, I will be able to see you and you'll be able to see me live face-to-face, and it's not a webinar, it's a face-to-face Zoom live, where we are gonna solve this entire booklet. There's a workbook which we have built. We have got around 50 different ECGs, if you can see here. Okay, so this is how it's, of course it's black and white, but you can see there's a ECG strip beautifully put up here, and we have complete steps on how you can go from point 1 to last points on how to interpret ECG. We'll be covering 25 specific topics on how which ECG patterns can be identified, right? It's basically, once if you have completed level 1 ECG training program, I would surely ask you to take up this training program, because at the end of 50 ECG interpretation, you would be mastered in interpreting ECG, and it will be very seamless in how you can interpret this. And we're going to send you this book once you register for this live training program. And yes, on the day of live training, I will come along with these ECGs on my screen, and you'll be having this booklet on front of you, where you're going to solve this, and together, if you have any queries, anything, we will solve on spot live, right? With that, I would like to see you on the live webinar, on live workshop, and thank you.